Hey guys, I just wanted to share my first attempt at making shower steamers so you can watch my mistakes and see the things that I need to work on and enjoy. So here you can see I have my dry ingredients measured out and I'm just panning to show you my tools. Just stirring in the dry ingredients. Here I'm showing you my menthol crystals that I am trying to dissolve in 99% alcohol. It takes a long time for those to dissolve. This is my carrier oil and fragrance. Now getting ready to mix. This is my carrier oil, fragrance, and color, and polysorbate 80. Here I'm slowly drizzling in the wet ingredients to my dry ingredients so I don't create a reaction. Still getting the hang of this process. Trying to get all those oils and colorants out. Now I'm trying a technique for mixing in the colorants and oils to the dry mix that I saw on Creative Bath Lab on her YouTube channel. It's amazing. This part takes a while. I sped this part up. Here I'm adding the dissolved menthol crystals in the alcohol and mixing that in. When mixing menthol crystals into a shower steamer, it's very strong. If you're sensitive to smells, you may want to wear a mask. The color turned out very pretty and green. The essential oils I put in here are eucalyptus and spearmint, mint. Now this part is where things go a little awry. It looks like it's fine. The first one seems like it's okay, but it gets worse from here. You see me struggling with this mold, right? You saw there how part of the bottom came off. I tried several times to get this right. Here I'm thinking, okay, I'm not pressing hard enough, so I really put some pressure on it. I'm tapping, still won't release. At this point, my husband sees I'm getting frustrated and he comes over and offers some help. I try a few more times. Here's where my husband's telling me, hit it harder. Still didn't work. In the end, I get frustrated, turn the camera off, and add more moisture to the mix and get a pusher so that I can push the mold out, and it ends up turning out okay. So here is the finished product after adding more liquid and not pressing so hard. So I hope you enjoyed my first attempt at making shower steamers, and any advice that you can provide I would appreciate. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Have a great day.